babies.
Today we're going to work on the shape building tool. So first off, I'm going to start building some shapes. I'm going to give some shapes. Let me get some circles. There's a circle here. Duplicate that circle a couple times. Circle there. Put another circle there. I'm going to change the color so you can see the different colors of them and see how these shapes are building. There you go. You got 3 shapes. You select them all. Go to your shape builder tool. And you can just start building shapes. Me, I like to detract from the overall shape, so I'm gonna hit Alt or Option, and whatever piece I click is gonna disappear. And now you see that that's one shape. Or adversely, I can go and not click Alt and combine shapes. So if I want those two to be a shape, there you go, that's my shape. And once I move the shape, it stays in the same shape that I built. So I mean, there's millions of different ways that you could use this. A lot of people use them for logos and things of that nature. That's basically the shape builder. Hope you guys learned something. See you next time. Peace.